What's up, guys? Today we will be trying the Armageddon spicy jerky. I'm so excited, so pumped for this. Yes sir, let's do this. There it is, small but intimidating. Yeah, going in for the first bite. What you guys think? Big one or a little one?
Alright,
No, you're gonna go for it. Ready, set, go. Not too bad. It's a little bad. It tastes so bad. It tastes so bad. It's not leaving my mouth. Ah.
It's so spicy.
The water makes it worse.
Not a good experience for me. Screw this, man. I'm throwing away this jerky. Get out of here, Cody. Get out. I can't let you eat this.
It's not leaving my mouth. What do I do? Ah.
That's a lot better.
Come on. It's still there. Been about 5 minutes. Still hurts a lot, but bananas are the secrets. Terrence crying. He threw up. I was not expecting it to be that quickly. Like, that was instant. As soon as I put that thing in my mouth. That was not an experience I enjoyed. Definitely not something I'll be doing again soon. I think you actually made my voice deeper. Y'all heard? It has been about 10 minutes since I put that cursed piece of tiny meat in my mouth, and it is finally dying down. It's been about 15 minutes, it is finally gone. I hope you all enjoyed, because we certainly didn't.